Welcome to Naija Daughter Tv. I bring this our sister KORRA Obidi come for now. Yes, now today be the first day when they carry her news come this my channel. Why? Because her tears, how she take dey cry. She cry out say her husband wan collect her children. They never collect her children. She dey cry say her husband wan carry her children. Say her daughter say she dey cry, she dey hungry, then her husband don go summon her again for court. She dey go back to court again. Na her explanation. I go still leave the video for una make una watch, but before I go leave the video for una make una watch, I wan try drop my own opinion. In case you dey korea shoe, you wear korea shoe or anything, I wan just drop my own 2 cents, my beautiful people. KORRA, my beautiful sister, for me, I look say you go Nigeria, you go visit Nigeria, your way coming back, a lot of things go change. But I was still surprised now your doing is still remain the same. Why I talk like that? Because you dey America, you dey deal with America citizen. First of all, what you supposed to tell reshape your life if you be girl when wise and girl when get sense about your child who really love her children. You see, when you go Africa, when you go Nigeria, they don't allow you carry those children go Nigeria. Why? Because they look and say you and your ex-husband na not dey again, so now they drag those children. Now these children na no join una together. You fit carry and run. That is why they don't grant that for you to carry those children. Till those children go reach Nigeria, maybe they're there like 18. I don't know America law, maybe 18 years or 15 years. Why they talk this thing is as you take cry come outside. You know, say that waiting na bring come out for social media. Now we take the talk. If you be girl when you really wise and when you really girl sense, you're not supposed to cry. If you know say you do am well as a mother. When your children must be a children. When your child they cry, say, "Mommy, I dey hungry, I want eat." Immediately you leave the social media, go give her food. Now my question be that. As your daughter tell you, say, "Mommy, I'm hungry," in social media, everybody they watch. When you know, say you and your husband they drag those children, you remember, just forget, say that man, the father of your children, as you love those children, as so that man love those children. They need the man need that, and you they complain, say the man push you. You don't say the man they abuse you, now you born for her. You don't say the man they drink, now drug addict, now you born for her. Now those things we need to they do. If you be woman, girl, you never marry and you they date man, you and the man never born and never marry. Then they always they abuse you. Be careful, double and think and know what to do. Okay, now you dey fear for your children. Say the children, the man when he beat you, and the man they come for you now. You want to carry down the man they want give your children to. The man when they beat you, they will never born, but you born for her. You forget as you born for her, everlasting. Those children when you want born for her now, you go be their father. No matter what, money can never change you. No matter how you reach in this earth, you born for that kind man. You want to deny the access of the man for no. Now children. Now the man when you open leg for one gather bring the children come. Now children. For me, I not there with man, not there with you. Be responsible if you really love those children, so that the man know they use anything against you. I don't know whether anybody understand me. Be responsible, because you they deal with a citizen of America who love his children. Mad woman, mad man, they get children. They take care of their children. If mad woman give birth, you know say she give birth. Talk of just drunk, now he drink, he push you, you they fear. But if you stand as a responsible woman, this man can never take those children away from you. Then should they go court? They tell you, say the pikin they hungry, say you not they responsible to take care of the pikin. They cut that part immediately when your pikin say she they hungry. You cut that part, go show judge. Immediately my daughter said she they hungry and I give her food not long. Then immediately she said she they hungry. I come up for social media, go give her food. See the time. See where I take excuse my viewer, say I they come and go give. If that part they bring her come out, not they cry. And you see by yourself talk say they say your meta, your head start you know the rest, you know the standard. I believe so now understand that is her they say her head not the standard, her her head not the standard because of social media things when she they do. Yeah, they go use that against you. Are you American? Maybe we stop to the add those character. Once you get their passport, you say you be no, you still remain immigrant. They go join their own. Be responsible at once. If you and your husband date together, you dey dress like this, you dey act like this, nobody will come for you. But if you and their citizen not dey together, you are acting one kind, they will come for you. But if you be their citizen, they act anyhow, they no still come for you. But if you even be their citizen, they still say the other man look responsible, if they do everything responsible, and you they do yourself irresponsible on social media, they will take that children and give the other one when they responsible. May you know what you they deal with, my beautiful sister. And those children, when you they lay cost, just now you say anybody when you join the man, my sister, not the lay cost, I beg. Now picky, they just threaten you now, say they want to collect your children. They just summon you to court. You they cry. Now you they lay cost. No, you're not supposed to. A mother not supposed to lay cost for other people's children. It's your own. You really love children as you they claim, as you they cry. So don't lay cost upon children. Now you and your husband know well now for meet. Your opinion and my opinion can never be the same. Your opinion different, my opinion different. Why laying cost to children is very bad. Not they cost people children gay. Okay? Now this one I get to talk, my beautiful people. I'll leave it at me when I watch the video. Ciao, ciao.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo.